Hi Geminis, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and I'm going to tell you what will be the trailer of the month October for you all Taurians. So what is going to happen in October with you all? And I'm going to take most of the aspects in consideration here as well. You might have seen my last readings. Here I have introduced two different aspects. The aspect of tip from tarot and the aspect of external influences. And what it is, you will understand by the end of this video. Alright, so stay tuned and please share this video with other Geminis also. There are other videos also for other birth dates and other zodiac signs. That also you can share. And if you're new, please subscribe. So let me meditate a bit. Alright, Tarot, please tell me, what is your message for all the Geminis out there? I always say Tarot is my GPS system. So it tells me, please turn after 200 meters. Alright. I used to do dubbings and I used to do IVR, so that's how I can mimic a little. Alright. Okay, so I have removed the cards for you all. Wow. Happy cards, good cards. Lovely. Wow. Lovely, lovely, lovely. A lot of celebrations for you, this time somehow. Maybe a lot of birthdays. Okay, so health-wise, everything is harmonious. Good health. Everything is very, very harmonious. But I always like to give tips like, eat good. And by eating good is, I don't mean to say do very exorbitant diets or something of that sort, but listen to your body. Alright. And health is not always physical. Health is also emotional, social, mental, financial. So when I talk about health, I always take all these factors in consideration, and everything is fine, your health is fine. Frankly, if your emotions are fine, your health is fine. And this time I see, good emotions with you all. I mean, the month is all about emotions and celebrations and relations and family for you all. I'm so happy you've come out of that money mode to the emotional mode. I'm really, really very happy. So, yes, I see a lot of harmony in health. I see you all have taken care of your health and you will take care of your health in a lot of harmony. There might be insights for you to shift organic or maybe vegans, or maybe I'm not a brand ambassador of vegetarians or vegans, and I'm a vegetarian myself, but I don't judge people on how they eat. But you have to understand that yourself, and everybody tells you whenever you feel this is what I really want, your body will tell you, and please feed that to your body. Even sometimes if I crave for a certain kind of food, I give that to my body. I don't feel if it is fried or whatever. If I can eat it, I do eat it. Alright, so there's nothing great on the health front that I would like to tip you, but health is good, it's harmonious. The card is known as the harmony card. So it's very good and it'll be nice. Okay, now we come to wealth. Might happen that you might have to spend on the health of others. Okay, you might have to spend your wealth on the health of others. ये हो सकता है. But it's okay. So just keep your mediclaims intact. Alright, so your health is fine, but you might find yourself taking care of someone else's health, spending on someone else's health. You might get calls at 2 a.m. Hello, hi, I'm this friend and I met with an accident and, I'm nearby and please come and help me. And please do that. Alright. Take care of people above age of 70 because they might be an area of concern where their health is concerned. Alright, so if you have any old people around, sick people around. Give them a lot of attention and a lot of love. As I said, health for me is not only physical. So maybe they need your attention. And Gemini, this whole month is more about family and relations and emotions and love. So yes, maybe someone who's 70 above needs your attention. Maybe you've not met him or her for a long time. Go and meet, spend good time, give them good time, get back those old memories and they'll really feel good. But yeah, someone above 70 might be an area of concern here. Alright, so see how my GPS system works. I've already told you what is going to happen. And it's good if that doesn't happen, because sometimes I do get calls like, ma'am, you told us that I'm going to get typhoid and I got it. Congratulations. And I really don't know sometimes how to react to certain things. So yeah, I mean, that's what I wanted to tell you all. Great. We come to the career part. Career part will take a little back foot this time, and you should, because see, the energy itself is about emotions and relations and money. So career might take a little back foot. Just finish pending work. That's all I mean to say, or else your career is fine. Just finish pending work. People who are into law, okay, lot of delays will happen with your cases. Lawyers, advocates, NGOs, all the legal people into legal business, I see little delays, but I just tell you all that do your pending work properly, because that might affect, or that might give you a hard time if your pending work is not done properly. So sit right now and start, finish off your pending work and then go on for a picnic or a holiday, because it's all about relations this month. I go to the relationship part now. I see some new relations, alright? The intimate ones also and friends also. As I told you that you might go out on picnics or holidays, you might meet new friends, you might make new groups and teams, and you'll have fun. This is a fun time. You should have this fun time. I know most of the people are so engrossed in work that even if I tell this, they'll start thinking, when do I schedule? And then this time this project is there, this time this conference is there. Chuck all that. Everything will be taken care of. Everything will be taken care of. Because right now our GPS system is telling us to have fun. So you better have fun. And I also see some new relations coming up. And your gut feel will be very good about those relations. So the gut feel is the feel that when you meet the person for the first time, what did you feel? That's the gut feel. There are times where you say that my gut feel was wrong, but here your gut feel will be right. So you, Geminis, you might meet the love of your life. And it is a spiritual card also. It's a spiritual card also. So, yeah, the person might be someone from your past life, like the previous birth, like not this life's past, but previous birth, and you might have certain karmic connections. I do not want to use the word soulmate here, but you might have past connections and it will be a happy one, and you can go ahead with a concrete relationship. And this I'm also talking about friendships, because it shows a long-term relationship here. I am very, very happy with you, Geminis. Great. And what is happening now? The new section that I have introduced, external influence. So what is happening is, again, I told you, people who are into law, this is an area where you really need to work. Again, see, the card is justice, right? So tarot is telling us that you are seeking for justice, But a tip, you have to really work smart for it. I don't like using the word hard, working hard. I always like to use the word work smart. You have to really work smart. You have to bring out the best that you can find, the proofs or your beliefs or what has actually happened. You have to really note it down properly, and I have already told you about the pending work. This might cost you if you are into this field. This might cost you because both judgment and justice cards are there. You are seeking for justice, I understand. There would be delay also, I understand, but a delay should not happen from your side. Okay, you will get justice, but you have to have a lot of patience and you have to be very alert with presenting your case. Very, very, very alert. You might have to manipulate a bit in a positive way. Manipulate a bit in a positive way. That's my tip for the Geminis. Alright, and I also see a celebration. I told you, I see a celebration, and I hope you all meet good people, and I hope you all have a blast, have a fun month. A lot of people have birthdays in October, September, October. A lot of people have birthdays somehow. So maybe birthdays are coming up, fun picnics coming up, Navratri is coming up. Yes. So have a lot of fun. And as I told you, you might meet the love of your life. And even as friends, you might meet people who've been in your soul family in other births also. So have good fun. And what tip can I give you? Just balance your yin yang energy. The yin yang energy is the male female energy, right? The yin yang is a male female. Whatever I'm showing you right now is the golden and the white one, but the yin yang energy is generally the black and the white energy. Just balance that energy. And how to balance that energy? So just see, left hand is always your feminine hand and the right hand is always your masculine hand. So join them and just say, affirm that my male and female energy is balanced now. My male and female energy is balanced now. You can affirm this for 9 times. And see, when you're balanced, you can give also and receive also. When you're imbalanced, sometimes you just find yourself giving, or find yourself taking. And sometimes you cannot take decisions. Sometimes you just poor at leadership, and there's all imbalance. So there's nothing bad in the month of October for you Geminis. It's just like if you have your energies balanced, you can have the best of the fun. So that's all for you Geminis, and see you next month, and subscribe and share this video.